Good morning all. Good morning all. Friends, be seated. We are going to start in another 10 minutes. Please take your seat. We're just going to start in 10 minutes.
अभी क्या है ना स्टेज फिर आना उसके बाद तो फिर मौका चाहो तो कर दो। हाँ ठीक है बिगनिंग में तो स्टेज का इम्पोर्टेंस है। अभी करंटली गोइंग ऑन स्टेज ठीक लाइव। I thought maybe you want something. Okay. Whatever you want. There's another link or भागते चलो। The tags. इसको ऑन देखा भाई हेलो हां क्या आईडी डाल मैं ये सुमी को फोन कर दूंगा कि मुझे करा दे।
Hi, good morning ladies and gentlemen. We would request everyone to please come closer. We are about to begin. 94 batch. How's the douche? Yo, come closer, all of you.
Friends, please take your seats.
People at the snacks counter, may we request, pick up your food and you can come back and join us.
Vande Mataram. Parvati Nadi, Ram Nadi Parvati. from our childhood till so many years. So please sing along. अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं मेरे शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं मेरे शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं कौन कहते भगवान नाचते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं गोपियों की तरह तुम नचाते नहीं गोपियों की तरह तुम नचाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्
Since it's a public day, we're going to sing one patriotic song.
तुम्हें अमर की शांति का वास्ता। Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rina ma'am, for pitching in with us.
Yes, please, let's have a round of applause for Rita ma'am and Fateh Singh sir, who have always inspired us, who have taught us. आशा करता हूं कि आप लोगों को ये भजन पसंद आए होंगे। लेकिन अब हम अपने जीवन को देखें तो यहाँ पे हमारे सारे शिक्षकगण, सब गुरुवर यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं, जिनके कारण आज हम वो हैं, आज हम कुछ बन पाए हैं। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। शिक्षक जो हमारे अध्यापक हैं, एक छोटी सी कविता हमारे सब अध्यापक शिक्षकों के नाम। नमन है उनको जो शिक्षक हमारे हैं। नमन है उनको जो शिक्षक हमारे हैं। उनसे मिले संस्कारों ने जीवन कितनों के सवारे हैं। नमन है उनको जो शिक्षक हमारे हैं। आपसे मिले संस्कारों ने जीवन कितनों के सवारे हैं। दिन रात करते एक है कर्मठता की परिभाषा। दिन रात करते एक है कर्मठता की परिभाषा। माली की तरह सबको रखी ना कोई अभिलाषा। माली की तरह सींचा सबको रखी ना कोई अभिलाषा। सब छात्रों को करते एक सा प्यार। ना करते कोई भेदभाव। सर्दी में मुलायम धूप गर्मी में जैसे ठंडी पीपल की छांव। सर्दी में मुलायम धूप और गर्मी में जैसे ठंडी पीपल की छांव। अनुशासित रहे सख्त बने। टीचर हमें पनिशमेंट देते लेकिन हमारे भले के लिए। अनुशासित रहे सख्त बने मार्गदर्शन हमारा कराया। अनुशासित रहे सख्त बने मार्गदर्शन हमारा कराया। जीवन में ना कभी भटके। जीवन में हम कहीं ना भटके इतना सक्षम हमें बनाया। जीवन में कभी ना भटके इतना सक्षम हमें बनाया। आप जैसे गुरु हैं पाए ये किस्मत हमारी है। आप जैसे गुरु हैं पाए ये किस्मत हमारी है। हमने आज छू लिया आसमान पर मेहनत तो सारी की सारी तुम्हारी है। हमने आज छू लिया आसमान पर मेहनत तो सारी की सारी तुम्हारी है। व्यर्थ है वो जीवन जो बिना गुरु के गुजारे हैं। व्यर्थ है वो जीवन जो बिना गुरु के गुजारे हैं। नमन है उनको जो शिक्षक हमारे हैं। नाउ आई विल Okay, now I'll invite the batch of 69. Friends, please pay attention. You know, today is very special. It's not only 94 batch, it's also another batch which is the 69 batch. And they are completing their 50 years of passing out. Let's give a big round of applause for the 69 batch. I'll invite the 69 batch. Friends from 69 batch, please come over and please have some words. Share your experience. I am sure you have lot to share.
If I start speaking, probably I'll be speaking till the end of next year. So I better give it to Vijay.
Thank you. Can I have all my classmates here? Ashok, Virinder, Sulakshana. बिल्कुल पास रखना मैं कहूँगी बेटा एक फेवर करोगे आप तो तस्वीरें खींचेंगे प्लीज थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी हेलो एवरीबॉडी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ सब आइए अशोक सुलक्षणा विरिंदर अनिल सुलक्षणा इज हियर अनिल ओके 25th year batch 1994 right thank you so much for hosting this a big round of applause बहुत बुजुर्ग हैं 25 साल हुए इनके यहाँ से पास आउट हुए हम तो इनके सामने अभी भी बहुत जवान हैं हालांकि हमारा 50 साल हो गया है थैंक यू वंडरफुल सबसे पहले all of us remember Indu ji and so many of our teachers, you know, we are here today because of our teachers. Mr. Bhagovalia, who was our principal, then Mr. Chaya became our principal after that. Mr. Pradhan, who taught us history, Mr. Bakshi, economics, Mr. Rao, physics, Mr. Arora, chemistry. We had Mr. Sachdev also, who taught us math, Mr. Imam, who taught us English, Miss Meena of the Golden Voice, who sang all the bhajans for us. If I am forgetting anybody, please, my classmates, please come in. And Mr. Barucha, our PT teacher, Mr. Prashar, who taught us moral science, O.P. Sharma ji, O.P. Aditya, the great poet, Mr. Yogi. In fact, Mr. Yogi was a Hindi teacher और मेरे ख्याल में हमने Mr. Yogi को सबसे ज़्यादा तंग किया हम ना घूमते फिरते थे बहाना ढूंढने के लिए कि मिस्टर योगी की क्लास से हम कैसे बचें तो हम मिस्टर बरूचा को कहते थे सर पीटी सर ना हमारे प्लीज़ हमें एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस के लिए 5th पीरियड में बुलाइएगा हम लोग आ जाएंगे We had so much fun growing up in this school. आज हम लोग यहाँ आए तो इतना अलग दिख रहा है ये कुछ नहीं था हमारे ज़माने में कुछ भी नहीं था जैसे अशोक कह रहे हैं गोभी के खेत था इधर टीन की छतें हमारे जो क्लासरूम थे छोटे छोटे थे हम आर्ट सेक्शन में 9 लोग थे साइंस सेक्शन में 18 लोग थे एंड अभी
और 9 में 9 लड़के
So we will not take up any more of our time. और जो हम भजन सुन रहे थे, our favorite भजन was काली कमली ओढ़ के भक्तों के भगवान रे तेरी मेरी नई नई पहचान रे. And we had a marching song. So yesterday, Madam Principal, Mrs. Ghosh had called me to talk to the school assembly. That was such a big honor. So मैंने बात करते करते उनसे कहा कि हमारे ज़माने में भी ऐसे ही हम लोग क्रॉस लेगेड नीचे बैठते थे भजन सुनते थे और उठ के जाते थे तो ये गाना बजता था कदम नहीं वो भी नहीं गलत मत कदम उठाओ सोच कर चलो विचार कर चलो राह की मुसीबतों को पार कर चलो. And you know what? They sang that song. Everybody marched back with the same song. 50 years के बाद I was listening in our school the same song. So everybody, 50 years is nothing. Maybe we'll all be here for our 100th anniversary. Maybe we'll be here for your 50th anniversary. This is what Mother's School, हमारे ज़माने में it was Mother's School, now it is Mother's International School. This is what, and really as it says, is anybody wearing the jacket? I know we all bought the jacket. It says we are blessed, right? We are all really blessed. Thank you so much for giving us this time. And I would like to introduce everybody here. That's Brijraj Mathur, Arun Agarwal, Science, Ashok Bhattacharya, Arts, Vijay Venkatesh, my name then was T.R. Vijayalakshmi, Sulakshana Khanna, who became Sulakshana Ratan, Virinder Bajaj, अशोक रतन को मैं अशोक रतन कहूँ या मिस्टर सुलक्षणा कहूँ? This was the romance in our class. And Anil Bhatia. And some of the spouses are here, so I'm going to call Bridges' wife Ratna, Arun's wife, and Virendra's wife, and Anil's wife. Please, can you join us? Please. Yes. Yeah.
next to your husband only.
Come, please. So thank you, everybody. Thank you, Class of 94, for giving us this opportunity. Oh dear, Ashok, yeah? Your grandson? Yeah?
I want to share only one thing. Can I share one thing?
Yes, please.
I came to this school from another school in class 9. So the most significant thing that I learned is that 2 minutes meditation. When I left the school, I started realizing how good it was.
Well, my first thing which I want to share with everyone is that I was amongst the first 10 famous students with whom the school started. And I remember the school growing from the little classes in the ashram, and from there, and Mr. Jawhar's little grey car where we were collected and brought to school and then brought back, until I passed out in 11th with all my friends. And it has been a big journey, and I have so many memories of various functions and the laddus Mr. Jawhar used to get for us, and the throw ball matches, and Antakshari we used to play when the 65 war happened and the teachers didn't allow us to leave the assembly hall while the blackout was, the siren was on. And we all played Antakshari, the whole school together. So, you know, it was like a second home for us.
Hi, I'm Ashok Ratan. I joined in 1966 in 9th class when I came back from Nagaland. And then one of the first person I saw was her. Believe me, that time I said I'm going to marry her. 1966. When I was in 9th class. And you know what will happen if that happens. So we went through whatever had to happen. Then both my daughters, Anubhuti and Surabhi, studied here. My sister studied here. My brother studied here. And her brother and sister, Arachna is here. So we feel like it's back home again. And there's a warmth in mother's school which other schools don't have. And I think besides being good students, what mother school teaches you is to be good human beings. Be good human beings, you will be valued to the society. And I wish you well.
I was in the first 10 school, and at that time Indu Pillai used to put on shorts, you know, and we used to feel very proud of we have a lovely teacher. So it continued from there till 1969 when we graduated from there with some medical distance. But one thing I did enjoy it with the show that this school, more than our technical aspect of our life, it laid down the character of our character, which helped us to build ourselves, be what we are. Without that character, we would not have been what we are. Thank you.
In all this, we have lost or forgotten one more flavor of this warrior. We had a wonderful cricket team. And here the captain, Ashok Ratan, wicket-keeper captain, finest batsman around, Anil Bhatia, Arun Agarwal, all of us. I know the field. And we got into the Delhi School League and we played a couple of matches. We won some. Of course, how can I forget? Hey, wonderful bowler and a batsman, but not a batsman. I've been given the onerous job of also mentioning one of our colleagues who are no longer with us. Vipin Kashyap was part of this team, he's no more. And Sudhir Sharma was part of the second team also. He was a very fine fast bowler. He passed away about just about a year back in Delhi. So really, soul rest in peace. And thank you very much. We really enjoy being here. We are proud of this and are outside. Over to Vijay.
Thank you. And there's one person we have to acknowledge, Nina Trehan. She used to be Nina Trehan. She used to be 1 year junior to us. She's now Nina Sethi. She is also a teacher of the school. It's thanks to Nina that we are here together, all of us together. And Nina keeps this whole group alive. Thank you so much, Nina. Thank you.
Serving as one of the volunteers and a participant as well.
I would now like you all to form a group and continue this contact that you have come after 50 years. Please keep it up. And you can think of different ideas. Maybe I can help you with some ideas. And also that this tradition should start. Ajay, and this is for you. That now the next 50 years should also come.
Why not start collecting the old bags? पुराने वाले सारे
even as students, and there are 2 people in the faculty.
So after this such a nice experience of experience sharing by 69 batch, let's also have one small song in remembrance of our school days. So 94 plus 69 batch, let's sing one song. Our batch 94 batch has prepared this song for you, or we can jointly sing. I'll just request 69 batch to be here, and 94 batch, please come and join.
It's not a budget, we promise you. It's an Ali Heather song, Purani Jeans on guitar.
So I am sure that after listening to this, you all will be remembering your own batchmates.
चलो
हमेशा में वो कहना बाहर जाके हमेशा कहना यहाँ का सिस्टम ये है बड़ा कैंटीन में सेब बाजार वो गाने गाना यारों के साथ बस यादें नहीं जाती छोटी
Thank you all. Thank you 69 batch. We are really blessed to have you here. So now let's have the tradition going on. You all know that every year this baton is passed from one. So that's it. We've got our successors here. And that is the batch of 95. So, guys, let's have the tradition going on. We'll invite 95 batch along with 94 batch to come down and take the baton handover. And we'll already 69 batch and 70 batch. Where is the 70 batch? Okay, guys from 70 batch, please come. This side, this side. Mira, this side. Right. So, ma'am is through. So guys, left side is the people who are going to take the baton, and right side is the people who are going to hand over the baton. So 95 batch and 70 batch this side, please. 70 batch next. And 94 batch. Where are you? How's the Josh? How's the Josh? Come on, 69 batch. How's the Josh? How's the Josh? How's the Josh? So now let's ask how's the Josh? So you can see how much Josh is there in 95 and 70 batch. Come on, let's once again. How's the Josh? Once more, how's the Josh? So we can expect a very sparkling event next year. No. We will. We are not going to let you go so easily. So let's expect next year is going to be even brilliant. Next year we should expect. No, we will be there to guide you. Come on, 94 batch. Are you going to guide them? Come on, louder. Are you going to guide them? That's it. Yes, I did say sparkling. So I hope all our younger friends, all the younger friends who are here who have not reached the 25 years, you must have seen the excitement in the baton exchange. Can I see the show of hands? They're not really interested. Okay, no problem. But we are all charged up. Any first words that you want to say?
So, in the school football team, Ajay used to be the center defense and I used to play in the forward. So Ajay used to always pass me the ball and I can assure you, Ajay, we will score the goal.
Yes! So we are all linked. So now the ball is in your court. Come on. So, yeah. So a small note by the 69 batch.
Vijay, while you have seen various aspects of personality, I want you to reintroduce Vijay from our batch in terms of the work she is doing in giving back to the society. You may not be aware, she is working in supporting the cancer patients and the caregivers of the cancer patients across the country and across the world. It's part of a big organization. I would encourage you to link up with her Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn. She's very, very active on all these things. And all I can do is pray to the God to give her strength and energy to continue her good work. I want you to know that she's doing a wonderful job and we're all proud that she's part of our team.
So I'll request Puneet to have a word of thanks from our side, from 94 batch.
All right. Thanks guys. Thanks everyone. It's been such a fabulous day for us. And before I, kind of finally like to give a word of thanks to everyone. First and foremost, I want to thank 1993 batch for the immense help all through the year. I mean, they were such great support. They were such great guide to us. I just have to name few: Manish, Vivek, Shalu, Rahul, Abhishek, Ashu, and of course, last not the least, Atul Seli, who has been a great, immense help to us for the entire day today. We would also like to thank some Mother Blossoms people giving us a continuous support for their guidance. Charu Didi, Neeraj Bhaiya, Divya Didi, and the entire team. Thanks indeed. All the entire year, the way you have guys supported us is immense actually. Thanks indeed again. I also want to, remember two of our classmates, batchmates, Rupesh and Soumya. They are not within us today, but their souls, they departed, but they are always been remembered. They'll always be in our heart as our classmates we have actually, kind of grown up with. And lastly, wishing 1995 batch for all the best for holding the baton this year and taking it to the next level in 26th January 2020 now. Thank you. Thanks everyone.
94 batch, can you have a group photograph? Everybody from 94 batch. 94 batch, please come here at the stage.
Patrali, Shalu Sharma, Lakshmi.
कर दें। एक मिनट रुक जा।
So one small announcement here. Ladies and gentlemen, please pay attention. One small announcement which we forgot. I am just requesting my batch, 94 batch, to give these flower pots as a token of appreciation to all the teachers who are present here. 94 batch. So please give these beautiful pots, flowers to all the teachers who are present here.